ow, ow, ow. Oh crap. You want to be on video? You want to be on video?
No.
Okay. Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today, I hope what we have is just a classic poop pyramid. We got a lady living in this camper, and I don't think she's taking good care of the black tank, and we have a poop pyramid. That's what I'm hoping for. So I got my stuff out here. I got my stir stick. I have my homemade doodad that I put down in the commode so we don't damage the seals, the ball seal. So let me get y'all set up here and we'll just tear into this thing right now. Here is my thingy that I made. What I'm going to do is I've cut the water off. I've drained the pressure. So I'm going to pull the valve. It's not a foot flush, it's a hand flush. Just drop that down. That keeps the, I know y'all can't see. That keeps the ball open so I can stick my stir stick down in there. Let's see what we feel. Oh yeah, it's the classic poop pyramid. So I'm just gonna jiggle it all around. Go as far as I can in every direction. Matter of fact, I'm going to be very careful with the ball seal. I'll put my stick in this bucket right here. I brought my bucket in. Okay. Go ahead and just drop this in the bucket too. And I'm going to hold that ball open and reach as far as I can reach. Actually, that's about all I can do. Okay. Well, let me go cut the water back on. And we'll fill this bowl and drain it several times. I might even get a bucket of water. Yeah, I'm sorry, the commode lid's been in your way the whole time. So now we got it broke up, I'm going to open this back up. I have the water turned on, so that's going to keep the water running. Plus, we'll take my bucket and I'm going to pour some water. Well, this is going to be a really quickie because that's basically all I'm going to do. I'm going to just keep running water in this thing and I'm going to educate the customer, and that will take longer than anything else, but I'm not going to video that. But yeah, that's it. I'll probably do something in front of the whiteboard about right here and show you more about a poop pyramid if you don't know. Alright, so let's go a little more in depth on your black tank in your RV. Now we're going to be talking about a travel trailer because that's what we were working on in this video. Fifth wheels are typically different. We're not going to go into those today. We're going to talk about travel trailers. So I've drawn a very in-depth diagram here of your black tank, and let's take a look at it and let's talk about some things. So here we see a typical black tank configuration in a travel trailer. You got your tank. It's usually about 50 few inches long. It's maybe 5 to 7 inches deep on the big end. On the small end, it's 4 to 6 inches deep, okay, here to here. So your commode is almost always on the short end, okay. So what happens, and this is our vent that goes to the roof, that vents air in and out of the tank. That's very important, you got to have that. This is the valve called a guillotine valve. Let me show you something real quick. So this is your guillotine valve. That's a valve at the end of your tank that lets the stuff out of the tank. Why is it called a guillotine valve? Well, that's why. Ow, 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 oh crap. See, that's why they call it a guillotine valve. Don't worry, it'll grow back. I'm like a lizard. But yeah, your guillotine valve. I don't know who thought of that name, but it works for me. So how this should work is you close your guillotine valve and you use your commode. Okay, I think everybody knows what we do with the commode. All right, but we use a lot of water because we want a lot of water in here. Because no matter how much water you got in here, you're always going to have some solids built up here. Okay. All right. If the more water you have in here, the softer this will be. So you use your commode. You let your tank get almost full, 2/3 to full, and then you open your guillotine valve, and everything just rushes out. And ideally, this little bit of solids will just wash right out. Okay. Now what happens, like in this case, is the woman didn't want to put water in a tank. So she was trying to conserve water for whatever reason. So she was using the commode, and this just kept building up, building up, building up, building up until it was here. Once it gets to there, no more water can go through your commode or anything else. And you end up with a poop pyramid, as we call it. Okay? Poop pyramids are bad. Now this one was not bad at all. You saw me, I put the stick right down the commode and I just stirred up the pyramid. And it was really soft, it broke up really easy. I've seen these be hard as a rock. I mean, take a long screwdriver and can't hardly break it up. Hard as a rock. All right. So if you manage your tank properly, you use a lot of water, then you will never have a poop pyramid. Chances are. Now there's one other thing too that I need to mention. There's two things goes in your black tank. Okay? Human waste and RV toilet paper. That's it. Now I said that you should not have an issue. That is if you adhere to this rule. 3 rules. Okay? 3. Use a lot of water. Only human waste and RV toilet paper in your tank. That's it. I can't even think of the 3rd rule now. But those are the most important ones right there. A lot of water, nothing but human waste, and RV toilet paper. Oh, I should say no wipes. No wipes that says flushable on the container. Trust me, they're not flushable. Go to YouTube and search out stopped up septic tanks. My gosh, most of them are stopped up with wipes or feminine products. Never, 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 never. So yeah, I think that's all I got. So if you have an RV, manage your black tank properly. Lots of water, nothing but human waste and RV toilet paper. Nothing else in the black tank. Okay, other than chemicals, deodorants, stuff like that. That's fine if they're made for an RV. Don't use like shooting range. Don't use like residential Rid-X and stuff like that. This is not a septic system. Okay, it is never designed to be a septic system. It is not a septic system. It will not act like a septic system. It is just a holding tank for human waste That's it. No Red X, nothing like that. RV chemicals, RV paper. I think y'all got it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I guess we'll catch you next time. Don't get a poop pyramid. If you do get a poop pyramid, go down that comment section and leave me a comment, criticism, concern. Tell me what you did wrong to cause your poop pyramid. Pyramids are bad. Poop, 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 poop. Pyramids are bad, bad, bad. Don't do it. Later, guys.